Hello guys, my name is Harpreet Singh and you are watching HPR MOTO, and today we are going to make a fair difference and try to help the rider to make their choice between Himalayan and Dominar. First of all, I am going to drop some negative points that I have made against Himalayan in the past, because the new fuel injection Himalayan is much better than older one, that is BS3, in the terms of engine and durability. So now most of the problems are solved. So I'm not going to discuss the technical specification of bikes. You can Google it out. I will tell you those points in side by side comparisons. So let's start with the engine. So Dominar is much more refined, but I don't like the gearbox because there is a lot of false shift and neutrals. It's take effort to put bike in neutral, and like Himalayan there were problems in the first batch of Dominar, like coolant leaked into engine was one of the major problems in Dominar, but it resolved now, and vibrations are there above 4,500 rpm. This engine of Dominar will get refined as much as you clock the kilometer, and vibes will reduced but not fully. Heating of the engine is there, it's bearable, but in summer you might feel uncomfortable riding Dominar in bumper to bumper traffic. And let's talk about the Himalayan engine. There was a lot of problems in BS3 carbureted version of Himalayan, but now things have changed. Problems were resolved related to engine, that magnetic oil problem. As of gearbox of Himalayan, I also don't like the gearbox of this bike. Also there are a lot of false neutrals and hard shifts, and also clutch is now feel better than the older one, but there is a still you will find clutch harder in the city traffic. But engine is now lot more smoother. It doesn't vibe below 4,000 rpm, but after 4,000 rpm the vibration will increase. And Himalayan heat up a lot in city traffic, but BS4 is making a bearable amount of heat. But I think you also feel uncomfortable in Himalayan in the bumper to bumper traffic. But both the bikes are totally joy on highways, that's for sure. So as a result between the engines, I will say Dominar engine is still better in the terms of power and technology, like sleeper clutch. It also liquid cooled, more refined. It's more comfortable to drive on high speeds. Himalayan on the other side feels uncomfortable above 110 km/h. About the mileage, both the bikes give almost same mileage from 25 to 30 kmpl depending on your driving conditions. Now let's talk about the suspension. Here is game changed fully, because Himalayan suspension make your ride super easy and comfy. Here suspension is little bit stiff, but not stiff as Dominar. Both the suspension of Dominar are stiff, make your ride uneasy, because in India there are a lot of potholes here and there. So suspension is a deal breaker for Dominar, whereas for Himalayan suspension is a deal maker. And about the brakes, Dominar braking is much better with the ABS option, whereas Himalayan brakes are a little bit disappointing, not much bite in the front. On the rear side, Himalayan rear wheel locks up a lot with the rear brakes. On the other side, Himalayan console is amazing. It gives you all the information you want while on long riding, like time, compass, temperature, gear shift indicator, whereas Dominar console does not show as much as information Himalayan does. I think it will be a lot more better if Dominar have gear shift indicator, and also in the bright sunshine the Dominar console is merely visible. So in my point of view, Himalayan console is better if works properly. About the headlight, there is no competition because there is no light bright as Dominar. In BS4 version of Himalayan, headlight is improved as compared to earlier one. In earlier Himalayan, there was a magnetical coil problem that damaged most of the electronic parts including headlights. So both the bikes has its own charm. Like if you want to comfortable relaxed ride and sometime want to adventure on off-roads, close your eyes and go for Himalayan. If you are a speedy guy, want to cornering on weekends and want to cruise highways and want to feel safe with technology like sleeper clutch and ABS, definitely go for Dominar. There are much more points, but I think it's the main difference and comparison you have to see for the bikes. So if you like my comparison, like my video, share it to the friends who want to buy either of this bike. Thank you for watching this video. Signing out, Harry.